Check out this Kia 2018 Sportage SX Turbo. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.